السلام عليكم حبايب قلبي أبطال تانية إعدادي، وهنقرا مع بعض في الحصة دي كلمات الوحدة الأولى كلها. نبدأ بالدرس الأول والدرس الثاني. ميت جين ألفا. ميت جين ألفا ده عنوان الدرس الأول. عنوان الدرس الثاني جين ألفاز ديجيتال لايف. جين ألفاز ديجيتال لايف. أول كلمة معانا جين، جنريشن. جين ودي اختصار لكلمة جنريشن. جنريشن. جين ألفا. Gen Alpha. Trend. Trend. Limit. Limit. Screen time. Screen time. Digital native. Digital native. Emoji. Emoji. Identity. Identity. Balance. 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 Memes. Memes. Platform. Platform. Emotion. Emotion. Discover. Discover. apps. apps ودي بتساوي applications، يبقى apps اختصار ل applications. applications. encourage. encourage. real life. real life. rarely. rarely. tools. tools. represent. represent. constantly. constantly. powerful. powerful. creative. creative. wonder. wonder. connection. connection. devices. devices. global. global. onwards. onwards. artificial intelligence. artificial intelligence. challenge. challenge. social media. social media. adaptive. adaptive. wisely. wisely. worldwide. worldwide. relationship. 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 coding. coding. online learning. online learning. affect. affect. creative. المرادف ليها imaginative. imaginative. والمضاد بتاعها uncreative. uncreative. يبقى creative مرادفها imaginative ومضادها uncreative. modern. modern. new أو current. new أو current. المضاد بتاعها old أو traditional. old أو traditional. encourage. encourage. المرادف بتاعها support أو motivate. support أو motivate. عكسها discourage. discourage. global. global. المرادف ليها worldwide أو international. worldwide أو international. ومضادها local أو national. local أو national. online. online. المرادف ليها connected. connected وعكسها offline. offline. تصريف الأفعال spread. 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 يبقى spread الماضي منه spread والتصريف الثالث spread. grow up الماضي منه grew up والتصريف الثالث grown up. know. new. known. spend. spent. spent. bear. bore. born. الدرس الثالث بعنوان The Digital Bridge. The Digital Bridge. include. include. smartphone. smartphone. far apart. far apart. connect. connect. in common. in common. case. case. even though. even though. ages. ages. digital bridge. digital bridge. treat. treat. fairness. fairness. unite. unite. thoughts. thoughts. interests. interests. support. support. language. language. mostly. mostly. distant. distant. online creator. online creator. share thoughts. have fun. show feelings. support cases. support issues. speak. spoke. spoken. understand. understood. understood. Choose, chose, chosen. Till now, popular with, care about. In a digital world, work together, connect with others, treat with fairness, treat with fairness. Travel to, on YouTube, on YouTube. كلمات الدرس الخامس والسادس. الدرس الخامس بعنوان Let's talk. الدرس السادس بعنوان Expressing identity online. Expressing identity online. Interview, handle, offline, blog, left out, advice, tip, blogger, team, journal, post, chat, tip, advice, check, research, control, wonderful, latest, real world, follow, care, build habits, follow trends, stay balanced, feel left out, do sports, do homework, find a balance, healthy, well or fit. عكسها unhealthy أو ill. healthy معناها well or fit وعكسها unhealthy or ill. agree مرادفها accept وعكسها disagree or refuse. creative imaginative وعكسها traditional أو normal.